The secret to living a long and healthy life has been revealed in a groundbreaking book that delves deep into cutting-edge science. From genetics and nutrition to the latest research findings, this comprehensive guide explores every aspect of longevity, allowing readers to tailor their lifestyle for a longer, happier life. With practical advice and actionable steps, this book empowers everyone to take control of their health and well-being, emphasizing that it's never too late to make positive changes. Say goodbye to feeling overwhelmed and hello to a future filled with vitality and longevity. But what are the actual habits that can help you live a long life? Well, here are 15 habits that can help you live a long life, all backed by science. Welcome to our channel, the place where future billionaires come to get inspired. If you're not subscribed yet, you're missing out. Number 1. Diet and nutrition. Eat mostly plants. In a study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, researchers found that those who consumed more plant-based foods like fruits and vegetables were less likely to develop chronic diseases and had a higher overall quality of life. Plant-based foods tend to be high in fiber, antioxidants, and other beneficial nutrients that can support healthy aging. Fiber in particular is important for maintaining a healthy gut, which has been linked to a range of health benefits, including improved digestion, a stronger immune system, and even a reduced risk of certain cancers. Antioxidants, on the other hand, can help protect cells from damage caused by free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can contribute to aging and disease. By incorporating more plant-based foods into your diet, you can provide your body with the essential nutrients it needs to stay healthy and strong as you age. Prioritize omega-3 South. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential fats that play a crucial role in maintaining good health as we age. According to a study published in JAMA, people who consume more omega-3 South have a lower risk of developing age-related conditions such as heart disease and dementia. Omega-3 South are also known for their anti-inflammatory properties, which means they can help reduce chronic inflammation in the body, a common issue among older adults. By prioritizing omega-3 South in your diet, you can help keep your body healthy and reduce your risk of developing age-related diseases. You can get omega-3 South from fatty fish like salmon and mackerel, or from plant-based sources like flax seeds and walnuts. Follow the 80 rule. The Okinawa centenarian diet is based on the traditional eating habits of the people in Okinawa, Japan, who have one of the highest life expectancies in the world. The core principle of this diet is the 80% rule, which means that you should stop eating when you feel 80% full. By following this rule, you allow your body time to digest and absorb all the nutrients before it starts storing excess energy as fat. This helps prevent weight gain and obesity, which can lead to chronic diseases like diabetes and heart disease. Moreover, fasting for the remaining 20% of the time can help promote autophagy, a process where the body breaks down and recycles old or damaged cell components, leading to improved cellular health and longevity. Fast intermittently. Intermittent fasting is an eating pattern that cycles between periods of eating and fasting. A study published in Cell Metabolism showed that intermittent fasting can boost a process called autophagy, which is essential for removing damaged cell components and promoting healthy aging. To reap the benefits of intermittent fasting, try to fast for at least 12 to 16 hours each day. During this time, your body will burn fat for energy and begin the process of autophagy, helping to remove damaged cell components and improve overall cellular health. Drink green tea. Green tea has been associated with various health benefits, including a lower risk of heart disease and cognitive decline. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that consuming green tea regularly can improve brain function and memory, potentially reducing the risk of dementia. Additionally, green tea contains compounds that can help protect against cellular damage and inflammation, contributing to healthy aging. Notably, the Japan's Osaki study discovered that those who drank 4 or more cups of green tea daily had a lower risk of dying prematurely from all causes combined. Now let's move on to physical health. Walk daily. Regular walking has been shown to have numerous benefits for our physical and mental health, especially as we age. According to a study, walking 7,000 or more steps a day can significantly cut the risk of mortality by up to 50%. Regardless of a person's age or fitness level, walking can help maintain a healthy body weight, reduce the risk of heart disease and type 2 diabetes, strengthen bones and muscles, and improve balance and coordination. As we age, it's crucial to stay physically active to keep our bodies strong and reduce the risk of falls and fractures. Walking is an excellent low-impact exercise that can help us achieve these goals without putting too much strain on our joints. Strength training is becoming increasingly important as we age because it helps preserve muscle mass and strength, which naturally decline as we get older. Muscle loss can lead to frailty, making it harder to perform everyday activities and increasing the risk of falls and injuries. According to a study published in the Journal of Clinical Medicine, starting strength training at any age can help maintain muscle mass and strength, preventing age-related decline. It's recommended to do strength training exercises targeting all major muscle groups at least twice a week. Stand more. Prolonged sitting has been linked to various health issues, including cardiovascular disease, type 2 diabetes, and certain types of cancer. A study by the American Cancer Society revealed that sitting for more than 6 hours a day can raise the risk of death by 19%. Standing while working or studying can help reduce the negative effects of sitting for long periods. It can help improve posture, increase calorie expenditure, and promote better overall health. Try to stand up from your seat every half an hour to stretch your legs and move around. You can also consider using a standing desk to alternate between sitting and standing throughout the day. Sleep 7 to 9 hours. Getting enough sleep is crucial for maintaining good health as we age. Research from UC Berkeley has found that getting less than 7 hours of sleep per night can increase the risk of Alzheimer's disease. Sleep deprivation can also lead to an accumulation of amyloid beta peptides in the brain, which are hallmarks of Alzheimer's. Getting enough sleep, on the other hand, can help clear these peptides from the brain, potentially reducing the risk of cognitive decline and dementia. Additionally, sleep helps maintain a healthy immune system, regulates hormones, and repairs damaged tissues, all of which are important for healthy aging. Get sunlight. Sunlight exposure is an important factor in maintaining good health as we age. A study published in BMJ found that people with vitamin D deficiency are at an increased risk of all-cause mortality. Vitamin D plays a vital role in calcium absorption, bone health, and immune function. Getting enough vitamin D can help reduce the risk of osteoporosis, fractures, and falls, all of which are common issues among older adults. Exposure to sunlight helps our bodies produce vitamin D naturally, but it's important to do so in moderation and use sunscreen when necessary to avoid sunburn and skin damage. Now let's explore mental and social health. Stay curious. Keeping your mind active and engaged is crucial for maintaining cognitive function and overall brain health as you age. According to a study in neurology, engaging in activities that challenge your brain, such as learning a new language or playing an instrument, can help delay the onset of dementia and Alzheimer's disease. Staying curious and continuously learning new things can help keep your mind sharp and improve your ability to adapt to changes as you age. Deep friendships. Strong social ties and close friendships are essential for maintaining good mental and emotional health, especially as we age. A study published in Medicine revealed that individuals with close relationships and strong social support systems have a 50% increased lifespan. Loneliness and social isolation, on the other hand, can have negative effects on both physical and mental health, increasing the risk of depression, anxiety, and cognitive decline. Nurturing meaningful connections with others can provide emotional support, reduce stress, and promote a sense of belonging, all of which contribute to healthy aging. Practice gratitude. Gratitude is a powerful tool for improving mental and emotional well-being, which is essential for healthy aging. A study conducted by UC Davis found that practicing gratitude can help reduce levels of cortisol, stress hormone, and increase levels of happiness hormones like serotonin and dopamine. By focusing on the positive aspects of your life and expressing gratitude for them, you can reduce stress, improve mood, and enhance overall well-being. Volunteer. Volunteering is a rewarding way to give back to your community, while also improving your own health and well-being. Study published in the American Journal of Public Health found that people who volunteer regularly have a 24% reduced risk of mortality. Volunteering can provide a sense of purpose, increase social connections, and promote physical activity, all of which contribute to healthy aging. It can also help you stay mentally sharp by providing new challenges and opportunities to learn new skills. Pet a dog. Interacting with animals, particularly dogs, has been shown to have numerous benefits for our mental and emotional health. A study by the NIH revealed that simply petting a dog can help lower cortisol levels, a stress hormone, by 23%. Dogs can provide companionship, reduce feelings of loneliness, and promote physical activity through walks and playtime, all of which contribute to healthy aging. Their unconditional love and affection can help boost our mood and reduce stress, making them wonderful companions as we age. Finally, let's discuss some habits and environment. Floss daily. Dental hygiene is an often overlooked aspect of maintaining good overall health, especially as we age. A study by the Attia revealed that people with gum disease have an increased risk of heart disease and stroke. By flossing daily, you can help prevent gum disease and keep your teeth and gums healthy, reducing the risk of complications associated with poor dental hygiene. Avoid BPA plastics. BPA, or bisphenol A, is an industrial chemical used to make certain plastics and resins, including those found in food and beverage cans, bottle tops, and water supply lines. Studies have linked BPA exposure to various health problems such as cancer, diabetes, and hormone disruption. To minimize your exposure to BPA, avoid heating or microwaving food in plastic containers. Choose glass or ceramic water bottles and filter your water using a water filter that removes BPA. Live at altitude. Living at higher altitudes has been linked to several health benefits, including increased cardiovascular fitness and a slower pace of aging. A study conducted by the University of Colorado found that people living at high altitudes tend to live 1 to 2 years longer than those living at lower altitudes. This is due to the lower oxygen levels in the air, which can stimulate the production of erythropoietin, a hormone that promotes the production of red blood cells and improves cardiovascular health. Marry wisely. Choosing a life partner wisely can have significant impacts on your overall health and well-being, contributing to healthy aging. A study published in Time magazine revealed that people in happy and fulfilling marriages tend to live 3 to 5 years longer than those who are divorced, separated, or widowed. A supportive and loving spouse can provide emotional support, encouragement, and practical assistance, all of which are crucial for maintaining good health as we age. Laugh often. Laughter has been shown to have numerous benefits for our physical and mental health, including reducing stress and boosting the immune system. According to a study by Stanford University, 15 minutes of laughter can provide the same benefits as 2 hours of sleep. By incorporating humor and laughter into your daily life, you can improve your overall well-being and potentially increase your lifespan. Now let's delve into some cutting-edge science. Metformin use. Metformin is a medication commonly used to treat type 2 diabetes. However, recent studies have suggested that it may also play a role in longevity. A study by NIH's TAME trial found that metformin users had a lower risk of cancer and cardiovascular disease, which are leading causes of death in older adults. While more research is needed to fully understand the potential benefits of metformin for longevity, the available evidence suggests that it may be a promising drug for extending lifespan. Cold exposure. Exposing yourself to cold temperatures, such as taking a cold shower or swimming in cold water, has been linked to various health benefits, including increased metabolism and improved circulation. A study of the Dutch Iceman Wim Hof found that regular cold water immersions can help boost brown fat activity, which helps regulate body temperature and burn calories. By incorporating cold exposure into your routine, you can potentially improve your metabolic health and increase your energy expenditure, leading to healthy aging. Telomere care. Telomeres are protective sections of DNA that play a crucial role in maintaining the health and function of our cells. As we age, our telomeres become shorter, which can lead to cellular damage and age-related diseases. However, recent studies have suggested that certain practices, such as meditation and mindfulness, can help maintain telomere length, potentially slowing down the aging process. A study by UCSF found that participants who engaged in mindfulness meditation for 8 weeks experienced an average increase in telomere length of 38 base pairs. Blue zones, secrets. The blue zones are regions in the world where people live the longest and healthiest lives. By studying the lifestyles and habits of people living in these areas, We can learn how to incorporate their practices into our own lives to potentially increase our lifespan and improve our overall health. For example, the Sardinians and Adventists are known for their plant-based diets, strong social connections, and active lifestyles, all of which contribute to their longevity, according to Dan Buettner, a National Geographic Fellow and author of The Blue Zones. People living in these areas typically live to be over 100 years old and have a low risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and diabetes. mTOR inhibition. The mTOR pathway is a cellular process that regulates growth and metabolism. Inhibiting this pathway has been shown to potentially extend lifespan. A study led by David Sinclair at Harvard Medical School found that reducing mTOR activity can promote autophagy, a process where cells break down and recycle old or damaged components, leading to improved cellular health and longevity. This can be achieved through various methods such as calorie restriction and intermittent fasting, which are effective ways to mimic the effects of mTOR inhibition. And now it's time for the most important part of the video. What should you avoid to live a longer life? Here are some things to avoid to ensure you don't shorten your lifespan. Ultra-processed foods. Ultra-processed foods, or UPEs, are highly processed foods that typically contain unhealthy ingredients, such as added sugars, unhealthy fats, and artificial preservatives. According to a study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, consuming UPEs is linked to shorter telomeres, which can lead to cellular damage and age-related diseases. Avoiding UPEs and opting for whole, unprocessed foods instead can help promote healthy aging and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Chronic stress. Chronic stress can have detrimental effects on both physical and mental health, potentially shortening our lifespan. According to a study published in PNA's, chronic stress can lead to accelerated cellular aging by increasing the levels of inflammatory markers in the body. Managing stress through techniques like yoga, meditation, or spending time in nature can help reduce the negative impact of stress on our health and potentially increase our lifespan. Loneliness, social isolation, and loneliness have become prevalent issues in society and can have severe consequences for our health.